Let's do this. Let's go. Welcome to Chicago. Oh, cool. We got one up. All right. All it takes is one person to stand up for our freedoms. No, I'm just kidding. This is not a political ride. Hey guys, I'm gonna blow you out real quick, but you control your AC right here, okay? You got your own climate back there. All right. Hey Marquise, has anybody told you how good looking you are today, man?
What?
Anybody told you how good looking you are today? Have you heard that yet? Man, you are, because you're one good looking individual. Just wanted to tell you that. Didn't that feel good though?
Hell no.
No.
Hell no, but look, God tell me I look good.
No, not like that. I'm just saying, man, you look good. Like,
I want to accept it, though.
You need to hear that every now and then, you know? Shit. That's all.
Hey, you ever been in a toxic relationship?
Shit. Is there bear crap in the woods? You know that. Which one of my relationships isn't toxic? You know?
How you get out?
Girl's toxic,
How you get out?
How do I get out? What? Say what?
How you get out that toxic shit?
Oh, how you get it out? Well, use cadence. It's all about cadence. You know what cadence? You know what I mean by cadence?
I thought you said cane.
No, cadence. So like when you text replies and when you do all that shit, you gotta like take control of that back, and you start delaying on all your shit. Get her all
fucked. Don't take your shit anymore.
Yeah, get her all fucked up on when he's gonna reply. Like get her used to, oh, he'll reply back in an hour. Yeah, we'll change that. Okay. Change it to where she's like, oh yeah, he'll reply back in a couple hours. So that's the first part. That gives you, the cadence gives you a distance. It gives you a buffer.
Oh.
It's better than a restraining order.
Straight up. Like a knowing thing, right?
Yeah. So you got to change it. You got to change the cadence. And goes. But you know, the most important thing though is never communicate over text, because a girl's already got a different way of thinking of things, and you have a different way of thinking of things, and you might kind of both be right a little bit, but it don't matter. She still thinks you're wrong, and no matter what, it's gonna get all fucked up in a text. So no texting. No texting. Man, I'm giving you some fucking wisdom right now. Damn, this is some good stuff.
Hell yeah.
She's writing this down.
I already got it in my hair. You're fucking done. Don't text me more than 2 times.
Now, if you really want to fucking just call it fucking, you know, end it, just get, and everybody's happy and still friends. Okay, there's this Louis Vuitton trunk you can get. Not a purse, a trunk. I'm talking 7-8 grand, a trunk.
Whoa,
you get here that.
Mike.
You gotta spend the money.
Mike.
But it would be your last gift, and she would be. Yeah.
They got us spending these
No.
$1,000.
You had me for a minute.
No, but she would be like, okay, I will leave.
No, Mike.
Okay.
For $8,000, I have to stay.
Yeah, but it's her trunk. But when she gives it to, but all I'm trying to say is that will get you out of any relationship, and she'll be your friend.
I see why you always in toxic shit. You bought $8,000.
Well, only when I was up money. See, that's the whole other thing too. When you go to Vegas, spend that fucking cash. Don't hoard it, because you're gonna lose it back. But you can't lose back a Louis Vuitton trunk. It's impossible.
And then once your money got low, she got low.
Shit. She's a fucking condescending bitch.
See, that's what you got going on.
She don't even have to look at me. I can just feel that disdain she has. He was once this and now he's this. I can just feel it. She don't even have to fucking look up at me. It's why I'm just like,
I ain't gonna lie, you the best time out.
Shit. Say less. I'll tell you what right now. I go in that house, I don't even really like to sit down because there's not even a place, really. And not because it's dirty, it's because it's just so fucking small. And when I see my kid, my daughter, I'm just like, hey, how you doing? I'm just on a flyby.
It was balling.
I was balling. So I was back in, it was all over here, and let me look at my gold. So no. I figured out how to make 4 of my days now are positive. It used to just be like 2, but now I'm happy 4 of the days of the week. That's an improvement.
You see my shit? I got a stress patch.
Uh-huh.
I'm going broke. I got a stress patch.
Oh hell yeah! It's like you got midlife crisis. I'm going to bed. I wake up on Wednesday and have to go to work.
That's the habits you use on them trips.
Going to Vegas and shit.
Yeah, I was gonna say. You ever lost $15,000 on fucking sports betting? You just want to go to bed. Bye y'all. Y'all have fun.
Number, bro.
You go to bed is what you do. I don't care who you came with. It's my birthday party. Oh, I just lost 15 grand. I don't want to. Hey, thanks for coming out my birthday. I gotta go to bed. Every time I talk about money, I round up by 25% to make myself look better. Unless I talk about how much I lost at the casino, then I might be like 25% below that number. That's all you gotta know, dude. But I have like this seer-like ability. So like 4 out of 5 people that I feel like I'm getting an energy from, I can guess what they do for an occupation. I could go fucking 23 out of 25 on NCAA. I had these weird, and I'm betting on colors and shit. I'm betting on, oh, that rhymes with clever. I'm gonna go with them. You know, like that kind of shit. But I would win.
You were doing dumb shit, and it was right.
But it was. Check this out, dude. Like last night, I had 4 rides. Back to back, give me either $100 or a $50 tip. I swear to God, this is the weirdest shit. Now, the first one was a bunch of rich executives. Let me turn that back off. First one was a bunch of rich dudes that were trading fucking cards and stuff. There's a convention here. And I hear this, can I smoke? And I was like, no, man, it's not allowed. He's like, what about for $100? I was like, yep, you need a light? Bam! He gave me a $100 bill, and we were all best friends for the rest of the ride. Okay, so that was the first one. But the long story on that is that dude, they get in the car. It took a little while to get him in, but they get in the car, and the guy's like, he goes, how much were you expecting? I was like, man, 25's cool. And he goes, actually 20. Again, 20 round up. So I said 20 is cool. See how I lied on that? And so I said, I had to stop myself and back up. It's automatic for me. So I said $20. He's like, how does 50 sound? And I was like, man, you the fucking bomb. All right, so that's the set because I already had 100 earlier. So then we're riding along for about a couple of minutes. He's like, you know what? You ever been to that casino? And I was like, oh yeah, I've been there. I played a lot of times. He's like, well, how's about $1.50 and I just give you this here $100 chip? And I was like, dude, you're a motherfucker. Oh, fuck, yeah, all right, thank you. You know, so now I got $200 basically. And I got, it's $100. Any way you want to fucking slice it. Okay, so that's the next one, right? And then the next one that happens, the one after that, I was in downtown, and this is like, he's like 4'8", balding dude, right? Just lonely. You guys are fun. Hey, dude. No, get the hell out of here, man. Are you fucking kidding? Dude. Dude, you're the fucking bomb, man. You guys are so awesome. I swear to God, I'm on this karma street. Good, dude. Fucking love you guys. And ladies and gentlemen, it be going just like that. Lickety split. Hit me.
Michael,
you want to do 20?
How
about 50?
Fuck yeah, dude. Yes. You're awesome, man. You are so fucking cool.
Wait, is it down? I'm
Huh?
on it. Okay.
Here. Oh, we're doing it illegally with extra people? Why don't you sit up front? No. I'm only kidding. Guys. No, sir, come on, hop in.
And then we're going to the Hyatt. Town Plaza Hyatt.
Okay. Wow. Dude, if you hook me up with that, you're fucking the man. Seriously.
Yeah, I'll pay.
Michael, you're the best.
Cool.
Don't go to South Carolina and then you're going to get arrested.
I know. I refuse to pay the ticket.
You ever been in that casino?
Yeah, I've won shit tons of money in there. I've won 20, 25 grand.
Fuck it, how about 100?
No fucking way. Oh,
Yeah,
dude, you're the
fucking
fucking
take it and just
man.
go. Like, give me
Holy fucking shit. Is there anything else that you need while you're here?
I mean, I got like 3 more days. I can probably take your number and figure it out.
Yeah.
I don't have a mask, if you don't mind.
You're alright, bro.
I work at...
Maybe you've heard of these people before, but maybe you haven't. Heard of them? you know what it was? It was because I picked up these crazy fuckers. The guy's like, hey, can I smoke in here? And I was like, no, man. He's like, how about for $100? I was like, shit, for an extra 200, I'll tickle your balls. And he's like, I gotta, and I was like, here, lights on me, my friend. He gave me 100. No, I got paid for the whole ride, but he gave me 100. Just cash to smoke, and then they sent me another 20. Yeah.
You can't find a cigarette?
Oh, dude, thanks. Oh my God, are you fucking kidding me?
You mind if I smoke?
Holy smoke away, bro.
Thanks. You want a cigarette? You smoke?
No, I'm cool. I got a fucking.
I'll tip you on the cart.
I got a carton here.
Shit.
Anyway, dude, you just made my fucking night on top of a night. God. Fuck yeah, bro. Sorry, I don't mean to get too elated, but